Next is taxonomic hierarchy. Taxonomic hierarchy, the manner of systematic or scientific grouping of animals, organisms, or plants in different taxonomic categories in a descending order on the basis of their ranks or positions in classification is called taxonomic hierarchy. In this system of classification, the term like taxa and categories are often used. So we will see first taxon. Taxon is a group of living organisms, plural taxa, which is used to represent a concrete or basic unit of classification. The term taxon was coined by H.J. Lamb. The term taxon was coined by H.J. Lamb in 1948 for plants like Plantae, Animalia, Monera, Protista, like this. Categories. Second is categories. A category is a rank of or level in the hierarchical classification of organisms. Various taxa are assigned definite categories according to their taxonomic status. In the hierarchy of categories, kingdom is the highest and species is the lowest category. So in taxonomic hierarchy, the kingdom is the highest category and species is the lowest category, or other than subspecies also present. Categories are kingdom, division, class, subclass, series, order, family, genus, species, like this. So we will see how method of classification is done in plants and animals. How classify the plants or animals using the taxa and categories. We will take the example of China rose and cobra. Categories kingdom, then second is division or phylum for animals, then class, subclass, series, order, family, genus, and small categories is specific. Example is China rose for plant and cobra for animals. These are the categories: kingdom, division, class, subclass, series, order, family, genus, and species. Plantae. First we shall see the kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae. There are 5 kingdoms: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. For plants, the first in the kingdom is Plantae. Then the division is Angiospermy. Angiospermy. Angiospermy means the plants enclose seeds. They plants have the seeds, they bearing seeds, they bearing flowers, but the seeds are enclosed in the fruits, or they are subkingdom means phanerogams. Phanerogram means seeds, plants, or the seeds have enclosed in the plant. Then class Dicotyledone. 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 Dicotyledone means the seed have 2 cotyledons. When a seed is divided, or they have 2 cotyledons. Cotyledons. One seed have 2 cotyledons. Another class is there. There is monocotyledon, which have a single seed, and dicotyledone means they have 2 plants. Then subclass is polypetally. Polypetally. Polypetally means the flower or corolla have free petals. Free petals. The petals are free means polypetally. Free petals mean all the petals, 2-3 petals are present, 3 to 5 petals are present or more. They do not fuse. They are free means polypetally. Another subclass is the gamopetally. In this gamopetally, the petals are fused petals. Subclass is polypetally. Series Thalamiflory. Thalamiflory. Order Malveals. It has China rose have order Malveals. Family Malvaceae. Family Malvaceae. Genus Hibiscus. Hibiscus, and species is Rosa sinensis. Rosa sinensis. This is the classification of China rose. Example: how the animals are classified. Units of classification are, or categories are: kingdom, division, class, subclass, series, order, family, genus or species. And taxons are means Plantae, Angiospermy, Dicotyledone, Polypetally, Thalamiflory, Malveals, Malvaceae. Families Malvaceae and genus is Hibiscus and Rosa sinensis. Like this, cobra have classification is Animalia. Division is not important. Phylum is Chordata. Cobra present in the kingdom Animalia, and the phylum is Chordata. Chordata means they have chordates in the plant. Second is class Reptilia, means these are reptiles. Reptilia. Subclass is Diapsida. Diapsida. Squamata. The order is not present. Squamata. Squamata. And family is Ellipsida, and genus is Naja. So classification of cobra is Animalia, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, subclass Reptilia, subclass is Diapsida, Squamata, Elapidi and Naja. These are the Elapidi. So these are the classification method of classification of China rose and cobra. Unit of classifications are kingdom, division, class, subclass, series, order, family, genus and species. Hierarchy of taxonomies are first we will see smallest unit of classification. Which is the smallest unit? Smallest unit is species. So first we will see species. It is the basic unit in the system of classification. Members of a species shows all the similar characters and are able to breed among themselves to produce their own kind. For example, all plants of potato like Solanum tuberosum, scientific name of potato is Solanum tuberosum, are grouped under the species tuberosum. Solanum melangena, Solanum lycopersicum, or the other species of Solanum. So species is the smallest unit of classification. Then genus. Second one is genus. Plural genera. It is a group of closely related species which resemble one another in certain characters. Resemble means same. When the two animals or two plants are somewhat same, then they are taken in the genus or genus. Like hibiscus, there are three plants: hibiscus, rosa sinensis, hibiscus esculentis and hibiscus cannabinus. Hibiscus is the genus and these are rosa sinensis means China rose, esculentis means lady's finger and cannabinus means hemp plant or ambadi. These species are different but the genus is same. So some characters of these three plants are same or characters are same, so these plants are considered as a same genus. A genus may be either monotypic having single species or polytypic genus having many species. Genus have a single species called monotypic. When the genus have more than two species are called polytypic genus. Then third taxonomic category is family. A family represents group of closely related genera. A family represents a group of closely related genera. The genera like hibiscus, malva, sida, gossypium, abutilon, etc. belong to the same family, that is Malvaceae. There are many genus: hibiscus, gossypium, sida, abutilon, malva. These genus are present in the same family called Malvaceae. These genus have some similar characters, so these are placed in a same family Malvaceae. The next category is order. Order. It is a group of closely related families which resembles in major characters. For example, families Malvaceae, Tiliaceae, Sterculaceae, etc. belong to the order Malveles. So, when the same characters are present in the family, these families are under same order, means Malveles, like Malvaceae family, Tiliaceae family, Sterculaceae. All these families are belong to the Malveles. They show exile placentation in their ovary. Same character. What is the same character in the same order? That is placentation. Which placentation? Exile placentation. What is placentation? You know further in next chapter. In brief, we will see placentation. Placentation may be defined as the mode of arrangement of ovules on the placenta within the ovary is called placentation. A rough diagram there. This is ovary, multilocular ovary, in which ovules are arranged on the axis, central axis of the ovary. These are ovules. This is locule. This is axis. This is ovary wall. So placentation is defined as, placentation may be defined as the mode of arrangement of ovules on the placenta within the ovary. So these families have exile placentation, means in the axis, in the main axis, the ovules are arranged. Placentation have different types of placentation, that is marginal placentation, exile placentation, parietal placentation, basal placentation, etc. There are 4 types. Marginal placentation means when the ovules are born or diffused, margin of the unilocular ovary is called marginal placentation. For example, pea, bean, etc. Exile placentation, when the ovules are produced or born on the central axis of the multilocular ovary, it is known as exile placentation. Example is China rose. So it is the example of China rose. Hibiscus is a China rose. Exile placentation. Parietal placentation, when ovules are born on the inner wall of a unilocular ovary is called parietal placentation. And 4th is basal placentation, when the single ovule is above at the base of unilocular inferior ovary is known as basal placentation. Like sunflower. So on the basis of one character, that is exile placentation, the all families like Tiliaceae, Malvaceae, Sterculaceae are placed in the same order called Malveles. Then subclass. Subclass is another category. Subclass, it is an assemblage of different orders. Means in subclass there are many orders. For example, Malveles, Ranales, Parietals, etc. have present in the series Thalamiflurae subclass, present in the subclass Malveles, Ranales, Parietals. These orders have same character, means they have free petals, hence grouped under subclass Polypetalae. So these 3 orders have subclass What is this? Polypetally. Polypetally means free petals. Corolla or flower have free petals or corolla means free petals are present in the flower. Then next is class. All the subclasses means polypetally. There are two subclasses, polypetally and gamopetally. Polypetally means free flowers and gamopetally. Gamopetally means fused petals. Fused petals. When the corolla is fused and form a flower is called gamopetally. So two subclasses are placed in the same class, dicotyledony. Dicotyledony class. It is a group of related subclasses. For example, the class dicotyledony includes subclasses polypetally and gamopetally. These subclasses polypetally and gamopetally are included in the same class, means dicotyledony. Then the division, next category is division. The division is a category composed of related classes. All related classes are taken together and they have placed in the same division. The division, for example, division angiospermy. Angiospermy included two classes, dicotyledony and monocotyledony. There are two classes. First is dicotyledony and second is monocotyledony. Dicotyledony means in the seed there are two cotyledons are present, and monocotyledons means there are single cotyledon in the seed. Dicotyledony, two cotyledons are present, and in monocotyledony there is a single cotyledon is present. Dicotyledony examples are China rose, mango, etc. and monocotyledon examples are jowar, rice, etc., bajra, etc. or maize, etc. Then these divisions, dicotyledony, are present in the division dicotyledony and monocotyledony. The two classes have same characters, are placed in the same division called angiospermy or angiospermic. Includes two classes, dicotyledony and monocotyledony. Angiosperms means the plants which have seed bearing plants. Seeds are enclosed in the fruit and they have tap root system, are called angiospermic plant. This is a important class, angiospermy. Then the division angiospermy in the animal, instead of division in animals, instead of division phylum is used, like in cobra it is chordata, division or phylum. Angiosperm and gymnosperm, these two divisions are included in the kingdom Plantae. Subkingdom, different divisions having some similarities from subkingdom form the for example, the division angiosperm and gymnosperm will form the subkingdom Phanerogames or Spermatophyta. All seed producing plants are Phanerogames or angiosperm. And another subkingdom in plant is Cryptogames, means the plants do not produce seed or flower. Subkingdom, sub-kingdom. Then sub-kingdom are included in the kingdom. It is the highest taxonomic category composed of different sub-kingdoms. For example, sub-kingdom phanerogams and cryptogams form the plant kingdom or plantae, which includes all the plants, while all animals are included in the kingdom Animalia. So kingdoms are different. There are 5 kingdoms: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Animalia and Plantae. So this is the categories or taxonomic hierarchy. Example of the plant. Hierarchy of the taxonomic categories, that is species, genus, family. Smallest categories is species, genus, then family, then order, then subclass, class, division and subkingdom, and then kingdom.